Hello friends, welcome to our channel Quick Notes. Today we will discuss NCERT Class 7th Geography Chapter 2 Inside our Earth in the form of quiz questions with the explained answers. So let's start the quiz. Question number 1. The uppermost layer over the Earth's surface is called, and your options are A. Core, B. Mantle, C. Crust, or D. None of the above. And the answer is C. Crust. The uppermost layer over the Earth's surface is called the crust. It is the thinnest of all the layers. It is about 35 kilometers on the continental masses and only 5 kilometers on the ocean floors. Question number 2. What are the main mineral constituents of the continental mass? Option A. Silica and magnesium. Option B. Silica and alumina. Option C. Silicon and iron. Or option D. None of the above. The answer is B. Silica and alumina. The main mineral constituents of the continental mass are silica and alumina. It is thus called Cl. The oceanic crust mainly consists of silica and magnesium. It is therefore called Sima. Question number 3. The mantle extends up to the depth of how many kilometers? Your options are A. 2900 kilometers, option B. 2800 kilometers, option C. 3000 kilometers, or option D. 3100 kilometers. Yes, the answer is A. 2900 kilometers. Just beneath the crust is the mantle, which extends up to a depth of 2900 kilometers below the crust. Question number 4. Any natural mass of mineral matter that makes up the Earth's crust is called a stone, B. rock, C. sand, or D. soil. The answer is B. rock. Any natural mass of mineral matter that makes up the Earth's crust is called a rock. Rocks can be of different colors, sizes, and textures. There are three major types of rocks: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Question number 5. When the molten magma cools, it becomes solid and forms A. sedimentary rocks, B. metamorphic rocks, C. igneous rocks, or D. none of the above. Answer is C. igneous rocks. When the molten magma cools, it becomes solid. Rocks thus formed are called igneous rocks. They are also called primary rocks. There are two types of igneous rocks: intrusive rocks and extrusive rocks. Question number 6. The process of transformation of the rock from one to another is known as A. rock transfer, B. rock life, C. rock change, or D. rock cycle. The answer is D. rock cycle. When one type of rock changes to another type of rock under certain conditions in a cyclic manner. This process of transformation of the rock from one to another is known as rock cycle. Question number 7. When the igneous and sedimentary rocks are subjected to heat and pressure, they change into A. Sedimentary rock, B. Metamorphic rock, C. Igneous rock, or D. None of the above. Answer is B. Metamorphic rock. When the igneous and sedimentary rocks are subjected to heat and pressure, they change into metamorphic rocks. For example, clay changes into slate and limestone into marble. Question number 8. Which layer of earth is mainly made up of nickel and iron? And the options are A. Crust, B. Mantle, C. Core, or D. All of the above. And the answer is C. Core. The innermost layer of earth is the core with a radius of about 3500 km. It is mainly made up of nickel and iron and is called knife. The central core has very high temperature and pressure. Question number 9. Granite is an example of A. Extrusive igneous rock, B. Intrusive igneous rock, C. Sedimentary rock, or D. None of the above. Answer is B. Intrusive igneous rock. Sometimes the molten magma cools down deep inside the Earth's crust. Solid rocks so formed are called intrusive igneous rocks. Since they cool down slowly, they form large grains. Granite is an example of such a rock. Question number 10. Rocks are made up of different dash. A. Minerals, B. Vitamins, C. Calcium, or D. Proteins. Answer is A. Minerals. Rocks are made up of different minerals. Minerals are naturally occurring substances which have certain physical properties and definite chemical composition. Minerals are very important to humankind. Some are used as fuels, for example, coal, natural gas, and petroleum. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, then share and subscribe to our channel Quick Notes.